Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both the sole and upper. This is where a lasting repair begins. Remove dirt and old adhesive so the new glue can bite. Once clean, roughen the surfaces with 80-120 grit to increase contact area and adhesion. Make sure to dry both parts fully. Align the sole and upper, then clamp lightly to verify fit. These first steps prevent gaps and twisting later, so take the time now to set up perfect alignment before applying any adhesive. Now you apply the adhesive carefully and intentionally. Use a contact cement or a 1-part urethane. Apply thin, even coats to both mating surfaces so you avoid squeeze-out and bubbles. Once applied, wait the manufacturer's open time, usually 3 to 10 minutes, and do a quick touch test to confirm tack. Then mate the parts accurately and press firmly. Clamp or strap the shoe for 1 to 2 hours so the bond cures under uniform pressure and prevents gaps. Finish by sealing and curing the repair so it lasts. Trim any excess adhesive, then run a thin bead along the edge to block moisture. This prevents future delamination. Let the shoe cure fully, typically 24 hours, before exposing it to water or heavy stress. If you see a gap later, inject adhesive into the seam, press, and reclamp. For contact glues, a gentle heat can reactivate the bond. If bubbling or soft spots persist, repeat surface prep and use a stronger urethane adhesive.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.